our series on scientific facts mentioned in the Qur'an. In our last episode, we discussed some amazing scientific truths that are mentioned in this ancient text. Today, we will be continuing this journey and exploring even more incredible facts that have been documented in the Qur'an. Fact 6. The sky's protection. The sky serves as a protective layer for the earth, shielding it from the harmful rays of the sun and helping to maintain the conditions necessary for life to exist. The atmosphere, which is made up of various gases, acts as a barrier that absorbs and reflects some of the sun's energy, protecting the earth from extreme temperatures and radiation. Without this protective layer, the temperature on Earth would be much colder, similar to the temperature in space, which is around minus 270.556 degrees Celsius. The Qur'an states, "And we made the sky a protected ceiling, but they, from its signs, are turning away." Qur'an, chapter 21, verse 32. This verse from the Qur'an describes the sky as a protected ceiling, suggesting that it serves a protective function for the earth. Fact 7. Water. Prior to the discovery of the microscope, it would have been difficult for people to understand or believe that all living things consist mostly of water, especially in the dry desert regions of Arabia where water is scarce. However, modern scientific research has shown that water is indeed a fundamental component of all living things, and this idea is supported by the teachings of the Qur'an. This is mentioned in the Qur'an in the following verse: "We made every living thing from water. Will they not believe?" Qur'an, chapter 21, verse 30. This verse suggests that all living things are created from water, and it was only through the use of the microscope that scientists were able to confirm this idea. Fact 8. Mountains as stakes. In a book by geophysicist Frank Press called Earth, Press explains how the mountains are like stakes, meaning they are deeply rooted within the Earth's surface and play a significant role in supporting the Earth. This is described in the Qur'an in the following verse: "Have we not made the earth a resting place, and the mountains as stakes?" Qur'an, chapter 78, verse 6 to 7. This verse from the Qur'an describes the earth as a resting place and the mountains as stakes, suggesting that they serve an important role in supporting and stabilizing the earth. For example, Mount Everest, which is approximately 9 kilometers tall above sea level, has a root that is deeper than 125 kilometers. Fact 9. The water cycle. Quran also describes the water cycle, a process by which water evaporates from the Earth's surface, rises into the atmosphere, and then falls back to the Earth as rain. This is mentioned in the Quran in the following verse: "And we send down from the sky water in its due measure, and we give it lodging in the earth, and lo, we are able to withdraw it." Qur'an, chapter 23, verse 18. This verse aligns with modern scientific understanding of the water cycle, which is a vital process that ensures the availability of fresh water on the Earth's surface. Fact 10. The meeting of the seas. In certain locations, two bodies of water with different temperatures, salinity, and densities can meet and interact with one another to maintain the separation and distinct characteristics of each body of water. A barrier known as a halocline or pycnocline is formed. This barrier divides the two bodies of water and prevents them from mixing together, allowing each to maintain its own unique properties. This is mentioned in the Qur'an in the following verse: "He released the two seas, meeting side by side. Between them is a barrier so neither of them transgresses." Qur'an, chapter 55, verse 19 to 20. This verse from the Qur'an describes the separation of two bodies of water by a barrier, which is similar to the concept of a halocline or pycnocline. That concludes our discussion on scientific facts mentioned in the Qur'an. It is truly remarkable to see how this ancient text contains so much scientific knowledge that has only been discovered in recent times. We hope that this series has sparked an interest in you to learn more about the scientific wonders mentioned in the Qur'an. Don't forget to tune in for our third and final video in this series, where we will be discussing even more amazing scientific facts mentioned in the Qur'an. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. We'll see you in the next video.